All right, let's check your work. So we have line segment AB. We have one endpoint, A at 3.5 and B at 5.0. A translation happens. I don't know what it is yet, and these are my new points. So I'm going to work backwards and figure out, describe what the translation was, okay? So you should have set up the points that they gave you. So A was at 3.5, remembering X is first, Y is second. I don't know what the translation was, so skip some space. And then I know that A prime is at 5.2. I'm going to go ahead and write out B because the middle should be the same for both. B was at -5 and 0. And B prime is at -3, -3. I don't like these integers, so I'm going to work with A and figure out how did I get from 3 to 5? Well, that means I need to add 2. How did I get from 5 to 2? That means I need to subtract 3. So I need the words. You don't have to do the math twice. We're going to check it to make sure it works. I need the words. So this means translate. I'm adding 2 to X. X is left to right. Adding means right by 2 units. So translate 2 units right. I'm subtracting 3 from Y. Y is up and down. Minus means down by 3 units. 3 units down. I'm going to check it for A. A was at 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go 2 to the right, 1, 2, and down, 1, 2, 3, that puts me at 5, 2. So I know my rule is correct, so I can just go ahead and add it here. But you don't have to show the work twice as long as you've solved it and checked it. So this is the answer. It's the words. Remember, you can't just put +2 minus 3. You've got to tell me the verb, translate, and then which direction, how many units for X, which direction, how many units for Y. We have, I think, just one more practice problem, then your exit ticket. This one's going to be a multiple choice.